बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़द अफ़लहल मुमिनून अल्लज़ीना हुम फ़ी सलातिहिम ख़ाशिऊन। फ़ी मुक़ाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़वैलुल लिल मुसल्लीन अल्लज़ीना हुम अन सलातिहिम साहून। फ़ी मुक़ाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला क़ूमू लिल्लाहि क़ानितीन। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ला सलात इल्ला बिहुज़ूरिल क़ल्ब सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बिश रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My most honored brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind in the state of shukr. Ya Allah, we do shukr of you from the core of the heart. You blessed us with Islam al-Iman. Let's make dua. Ya Allah, give us last breath with Islam and Iman. Ameen. Today I am talking about the Kushoo fi Salaat. How to focus in the Salat. Concentration in the Salat, which is the root of the Salat. Salat has body, but they are making action, and the root of the Salat, where our heart in the Salat, where our mind in the Salat. Before I go ahead, simple meaning of the ayat mubarakah I quoted before you. Qad aflahal mu'minun, tahqiq, no doubt. Believers became successful. Alladhina hum fi salatihim khashi'un. Those who are full concentration in the salat. They have full attention in the salat. What they saying, what they acting. Fawailul lil musallin, second ayat mubarakah. While for those musallin, destruction, big loss for those people who make salat. Who are such people? And some mufassirin say, well is a valley of Jahannam. Very big warning. We should be scared of that. Destruction for those people who make salat. What kind of those people? What kind of those musallin? Quran answers that question. Allazina hum fi an salatim sahun. Who are neglectful in the salat. Who don't make salat. Or they make salat just sitting and standing like an exercise. They are not attentive in the salat at all. Instead of getting the benefit and sawab of the salat, they get azab. May Allah save us from such kind of salat and bless us with such salat which is accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Hadith Pak I quoted before you. La salata illa bihuzuril qalb. No salat if we are not mindful in the salat. No salat. Even Hasan Basri rahmatullah say that salat is fasid. He had to repeat salat. You know, one Sahabi came in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He came, he makes salat. Prophet called him back. Make again. He made again. Prophet said to him, mafhum like that, make again. 3 times Prophet had to make me repeat the salat. It means his salat was not valid. He was not taking care properly salat. The basic foundation of the Kushoo is wuzu. What kind of wuzu we make? It will have good effect on the salat. We know that when we make good wuzu, then all small sins are forgiven. But now, before wuzu, time management is very important. That's the problem. We have time for everything, but we don't have good time for salat, which guarantees success. Qad aflaha al-mu'minun. Such salat which guarantee success in this life and hereafter. And we know that the good salat take us away from immoral acts, and only immoral acts will stop us going to Jannat right away. So salat helps a lot. So many benefits of salat. You know, it's the most powerful action in the ibadat. Salat, any problem. He recommended also, when you have any problem, make 2 rakat salat or hajj and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beg from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should make good wuzu. We should take the time. We should not brief the time, run to the masjid and fast make wuzu and running, coming and join the Jamaat. This is a disrespect to the salat. This is a disrespect to the masjid. You understand clearly? So important thing. Do we know that? The very first aamal which will be examined in the qabr, in the day of Qiyamah, will be salat. Because what kind of salat we make, the same kind of our life will be. That's why it's very, very important to be serious about the salat. We pay full attention. We should know the meaning of salat. I give you homework, please. Brothers who don't know the meaning of salat, please learn as soon as possible. You cannot concentrate fully until you know what you're reading. All surahs, what we read normally in the salat, we should know the meaning and tafsir of those surahs. Then really, you will enjoy the salat. Understand? You will really enjoy the salat. Take the time and learn the meaning, everything. And Quran, using the word aqimu, not reading the salat, aqimu salat, with all proper etiquettes of standing, sitting, ruku, qaida, any kind of action we should be very, very mindful over there. Before starting salat, we should make small dua. Ya Allah, help me to make good salat. Little dua. That is only possible if you have some time. We have time for everything, but not such great ibadat. And then, before starting salat, we should do kaf if we need it. We should set our beard before starting salat. Not during salat, we're playing with the beard. That's no good. As setting the clothes and taking shalwar up. Oh bhai, before starting salat, set up your dress. If you are hungry, please eat some food. Now, don't start salat. We should not start salat if we have some taqada or number 1 or number 2 to relieve. Shaitan say, oh, don't worry. Oh, okay, you can make salat. Make salat. Okay, later on you do it. You will lose the rakat. Talking before we make sure you relieve yourself. Don't worry about Jamaat. Oh, I will lose Jamaat. Let me catch a cat. I do number 1 later on. Don't do it. Otherwise, you are thinking about number 2 and number. Otherwise, you will think about number 1, number 2 in the salat. Don't do it. Relieve yourself. Enjoy the time and start your salat. Now, proper etiquettes. Start salat, Surah Fatiha, and when we read Surah Fatiha, so take break with local speed, not highway speed. Take break. Think about the meaning. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Take the break. You know why? When we say this, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answer back to us. Hamidani Abdi. Allahu Akbar. When we say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Allah says back, answer back to the Musalli who's making salat. Asana Aliyya Abdi. Allahu Akbar. My Banda has praising me, has praised me. When we say Malik Yawmiddin, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Majadani Abdi. You see that? But do we give time to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Do we want to listen to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala what He's saying? No. We don't have time. We start our own with highway speed. That's we get ticket. Most of us get ticket after salat. Salat is wrapped in dirty cloth. Bang on your face back. Get out of here. We should do istighfar. Let's do istighfar if we make such salat. वो एक सजदा जिसे तू गरा समझता है, 1000 सजदों से देता है आदमी को निजात. One sajda is enough to take care everything. In Islam, quality is counted, not quantity. Every amal should have quality. Instead of making 8 nafal with highway speed, better make 2 nafal with local speed, with understanding what I am saying. You understand better? And then, when we change a rukn, we should take the time. This ta'dil. Ta'dil means that when we go to ruku, we take the time. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Take breath. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Don't get choked. Then stand up. Take the time. At least you should say 1 time Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. And then go to MashaAllah. When we stand in the qiyam, our glance should be at the place of sajda. When we stand in the qiyam, our glances should be at the place of sajda. When we make ruku, our glance should be on our feet, front part of the feet. And when we do sajda, our glance, eyes should be looking at the nose. When we are in qada, our eyes should be at our lap. So we now wander around. And when we read at-tahiyyat, at-tahiyyat is such wording, a dialogue which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam got from Miraj. At-tahiyyatu lillahi was-salawatu. This is beautiful. Prophet gave at-tahiyyat gift. That Rasul. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu. Subhanallah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not forget us in the Miraj. He said what? Assalamu alayna, not alayya. Alayna. All we sinner, he include. In the Arsh Mu'alla, he did not forget the Ummah. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Subhanallah. How we are lucky. As-salatu miraj al-mu'mineen. The salat is a miraj of a mu'min. Because we talk with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. La ilaha illallah. When we are in the sajda, we should feel that I am prostrating on the blessed feet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu don't have feet. It's not aqidah. One Allah Wala said, when I make salat, I feel I am in the lap of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahu Akbar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us such kind of a beautiful salat. Hazrat Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he used to stand for salat like a standing pole, no movement at all, period. When Hazrat Ali Karamullah Wajhu were ready for salat, with the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his color gone pale, रंग जर्द हो जाता था. अल्लाह. Do you know Abu Talha radiallahu ta'ala anhu? He had very thick, good garden. He was making salat in the garden. One sparrow got stuck up, and he got diverted attention. Soon he makes salat. He told his wife, I have given sadaqah to the whole garden. Because of this garden, I lost something in the salat. I lost attention in the salat because of this garden. In his eyes, the salat was more important. One rakat was more important than the garden. Are we making 5 times salat? Are we just making Jummah? Do you know that Jummah is not first always? To Musafir, no Jummah. Do you know that? But Salat is first in every situation. If you have senses, you are in the hospital, like you are in the senses, you have to make Salat with a signal. You cannot do Salat. There is no qaza of anything, but there is a qaza of Salat. We should be serious taking our this salat. Abdul Wahid rahmatullah alayh, great wali Allah, he heard there will be no salat in the Jannah. He started crying. How I will enjoy Jannah if there is no salat even? Let me tell you very good, listen. More we become rich, big business, more we ignore salat. Do you know that the king Shamsuddin al-Tamash, he was a student and murid of Bukhtiar Kaki rahmatullah alayh. Bukhtiar Kaki rahmatullah alayh advised him, Wasiya, that my janaza should be led by that person who never missed takbir-e-ula. Number 2, he never missed Jamaat. He never missed tahajjud. And he never missed the sunnah of Asr Salat. 4 conditions, he told him. That person should lead my Salatul Janaza who has 4 conditions. 4 rigid follow-up. Number 1, never missed Asr Salat. Never missed Takbir Ula. He never missed the Hajj. And never missed Jamaat. Now he passed away. Mukhtar Faqir Rahmatullah alayh, great wali Allah, he passed away. Now he announced, the king of the time, Al-Tamish, he announced, anybody has these 4 conditions. None came forward. None came forward. Now he announced himself. And he cried that, Hazrat, I was hiding by this quality. You exposed me to the public. I'm losing my ikhlas. The king of the time, he led Salatul Janaza of his Sheikh, Mukhtar Kaki, Rahmatullah alayh. May Allah SWT bless us with such salat, with concentration. Shauq agar mera na ho meri namaz ka imam. If the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not imam of my salat, mera qiyam hai hijab, mera sajood be-sarur, then my qiyam is full of the curtains, lot of veils there. And my salat is without any kind of spiritual taste. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to learn the salat, to learn the meaning of the salat, and do practice through the nawafil. And Allah subhanahu, beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, bless us such salat which is accepted by you and solve all our problems. Wa akhir damana an alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakallah khair. Shukr kasira.